to be reading a story called Possum's Big Surprise. How exciting. Flossie the Possum was running alone, scurrying, flurrying, hurrying home. On over rock, past eucalyptus tree, Flossie the Possum was quick as can be, when all of a sudden, a bustle and a rustle. That's when she saw, next to the black stump, wrinkly claw. Off in a flash and a tumble of grey, Flossie the Possum was up and away. She dashed past the wattle, golden and green. Flossie the Possum ran nimble and keen, when all of a sudden, rising between the rocks, there appears two great big twitchy, fluff-covered ears. Off in a flash and a tumble of grey, Flossie the Possum was up and away. She skipped over ants' nests, pebbles and sticks. Flossie the Possum was quicker than quick, when all of a sudden, there sticking out of the track next to her, a tentacle coated in reddy brown fur. Off in a flash, a tumble of grey, Flossie the Possum was up and away. She ran with her feet barely touching the ground. She jumped Dingo Creek in just one single bound, when all of a sudden, scaring the yabbies, startling the fish, a leathery duck-billed splashety splish. Off in a flash, a tumble of grey, Flossie the Possum was up and away. Home wasn't far, so she picked up the pace. Flossie was dashing a dizzying race, when all of a sudden, a shake in the reeds where the grasshoppers sing, a great big black flappity feathery thing. Off in a flash and a tumble of grey, Flossie the Possum was up and away. Swifter than lightning, faster than fast, Flossie the Possum was back home at last, when all of a sudden, Eddie the Emu, Bilby Magoo, Gabby the Yabby, Red Kangaroo, Jack the Black Cocky and Platypus too, a big bush surprise! Happy birthday to you! With claw, ears and tail, duckbill and feathers, Flossie the Possum had the best birthday ever. Wow. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me in our story time. Bye.